Yan, nabudol ako. So, bumili ako. There's two types. I think one is version 2. This is version 1. For self-reflection, heart-to-heart talks, and group conversation. So, we'll try kung anong meron dito. Nagpanggap ka na ba? Masaya kahit hindi ka okay. Paano mo to hinarap? Mahirap pagpanggap na okay. Sana alam mo na hindi mo kailangang itago palagi ang nararamdaman mo. Wala naman akong pinagdadaanan ngayon. Pero, yung mga questions dito, parang mapaisip ka kung may pinagdadaanan ka o hindi. Nagpanggap ka na bang masaya kahit hindi ka okay? Of course. Of course. Paano mo to hinarap? I don't understand that question. But I think it's more of the show must go on, especially for people like me, I think, who have very high sense of responsibility and very important na no matter what happens, good or bad, and if you're going through some sad emotions, you still go through it. But yeah, the question here kasi is, nagpanggap ka na bang masaya kahit hindi ka okay? Yeah, sometimes, for sure, especially yung thinking ko nun, syempre when you're in front of people who love you and who you think na mag-worry if they see na you're not too happy. Sometimes you put up a front. I put up a front. Pero what I learned is, mas okay na you become open and vulnerable to the people who care for you. Because if they really care for you, you're giving them the opportunity to look after you, to be there for you if you really open up about what you're going through. So that's my learning. So yeah, I don't pretend if I'm sad. I will tell people I'm sad, but that's about it. And sometimes I think if you're able to verbalize it, you know, what you're going through, what you're feeling, sometimes it's also maybe a skill or a different level of maturity siguro na you're able to say without the emotional charge. If you're able to just really describe and define what you're feeling, then you can take action on the next set of choices that you'll make. So yun. So paano mo ito hinarap? So yeah, medyo a lot of people, this is common, especially for us Filipinos, we like romanticizing things. But I think moving forward, it's really just good to really be upfront with whatever you're feeling, and there are many responsible ways to get those emotions across. Grabe na yung mga matanong dito. Kaya pala nag-iiyakan yung mga tao sa TikTok. Tas ito yung version 2, I'll check it also. Yan lang for now. Have a good day. See you.